Vijay or next film. That one they have asked me one beautiful character. That sounds interesting. I don't know how it will shape it out because of my dates. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಜಯ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು saying last film. I feel that Vijay ಅಂತ artist last film ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ personally as a friend and as a well-wisher, I think Vijay is a fantastic actor and good human being, and he has got both the sense. Film industry ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ the ambition he has got is very fantastic. I think I respect him for that. Okay. So when this one is there, so I hope I'll freeze that also. I think this is a fresh news I'm saying.
Yeah, sir. Exclusive. Okay, so ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ
Vijay or next film. That one they have asked me one beautiful character. That sounds